All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. This is from Ramen Bae. You can check them out at the link right there. And yeah, these are toppings for instant noodles. Yeah, so let's crack it open and see what we got inside. Oh, neat. All right, I'm a sticker junkie, so first things first here, it came with a sticker. Thank you, I like that. So I've had people ask me, about like seasoning sachets and vegetables for ramen and all that stuff. I never seem to find like just sachets of straight seasoning, like soup bases. But one thing that I see a lot is people asking about things to put on their ramen, usually vegetables, other toppings and stuff. So you need this. This is a big freaking bag of Ramen Bae dried ramen toppings, veggie mix, vegetable version. There's another version as well that I'll show you next. Hopefully right about now you're seeing an image of how this stuff looks added to a ramen product. You can use this on any ramen you got. You can just basically take it and hydrate it in a bowl if you want, just on its own, or you can just cook it in with what you got. This one has cabbage, tofu, carrot, broccoli, bok choy, corn, shiitake, white mushroom. It says bean curd and it also says tofu. So roasted garlic, green onion. So basically a really nice vegetable mix. And there's a lot of it in one of these bags. And then here we have the seafood mix. And in this one, it's got, let's see, this one has a lot of stuff too. Oh wow, cabbage, bean curd, carrot, shiitake, corn, fish cake, shrimp, imitation crab, so like crab stick, squid, and green onion. So that's pretty rad. And finally we got this one, and this one's great. This is just Naruta Maki. This is just the little tiny pieces that you find in instant noodles pretty often, but if you really like them, you can get a big 3-ounce bag of them. They don't weigh anything. So this thing is like freaking stuffed with them. And yeah, as you can see right there, yeah, you can see them through the window there. There's a lot going on, a ton of them. And yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Those are the 3 varieties available on Ramen Bae's website. I believe it's ramenbae.com. It'll say here and there in the video. But yeah, pretty neat. Yeah. All right, so a big thank you to Jonathan over at Ramen Bae for sending this over. Definitely filling a need that people have espoused to me in the past, saying they wish they could just get toppings to put on it, dehydrated stuff. I get asked about that quite a bit. So here's your answer. Yeah. And go visit his website right there. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.